Hey everyone, welcome back to Trove channel. Today, we've got something truly groundbreaking to talk about, the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. These aren't just your average smart specs, and I've got a lot to share about my experience with them. Let's dive right in. First things first, these Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses are a game changer when it comes to comfort. At just 48 grams, they are incredibly lightweight, and that IPX4 water resistance rating means you can rock them all day, rain or shine. And let's not forget, they're definitely a style statement. Now, let's talk about the real star here, the integrated camera. I'll admit, I had my doubts about the quality, but Meta's computational photography blew me away. Despite the small size, it delivers stunning high-res photos with great dynamic range. I was genuinely surprised. These frames, partnered with the iconic Ray-Ban brand, really make them feel like a classic pair of shades. The camera upgrade from the first-gen stories is significant, from 5MP to a matching 12MP. Plus, the added AI magic improves contrast and color, giving you some fantastic outdoor shots. Taking photos and videos is a breeze with the hands-free options. Whether you prefer voice commands or a quick button press, you're covered. And trust me, that 1-second lag is worth it for the incredible moments you'll capture. The live streaming feature is a game changer for social media influencers. The image and video quality are top-notch. While not quite 4K, the 1552 by 2064 pixel resolution is impressive. And the 3:4 aspect ratio is perfect for social media. Plus, no distortion in sight, your shots will be smooth and professional. Let's talk audio. The speakers are refined, delivering volume and bass that surprised even me. They're private, with minimal leakage. But the microphones, they steal the show. Spatial audio quality is exceptional, making calls a breeze, and both parties come through crystal clear. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The charging case not only looks sleek, but also extends the glasses' battery life to a whopping 36 hours. And if you're in a hurry, a quick charge can get you back in action in no time. Now, the big question, should you get these Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses? At $300, they're an investment, but considering the value they offer, they're well worth it. With stellar camera capabilities, impressive sound, and more potential features on the horizon, these could be a game changer for the right person. To sum it up, these smart glasses are a fantastic pair, especially if you're all about the photo and video capabilities. So, if you're looking for a hands-free, always-ready camera and a stylish accessory, these might just be your perfect fit. That wraps up our review today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting tech reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.